Hello friends, welcome back. I Dr. Dinesh welcomes you all. Today we will discuss about top 6 journal in the different disciplines. So last तक वीडियो देखिए, मे बी पॉसिबल वीडियो थोड़ा लेंदी हो सकता है बट आपको जर्नल मिल सकते हैं जो आप स्टिल सर्चिंग में हैं. Quick publication journal and high impact factor and all journal related to the SCI category and Scopus Index category and with high impact factor. So first category of the journal name is Decision Support System published by Elsevier, and acceptance rate of this journal 9%, and you will get the notification within 2.4 weeks, and near about within 15 days you will get the notification whether your research paper accepted, rejected, or maybe minor changes. And after that 4 weeks are required to publish your research paper. So total time required in this journal 6 weeks. So really very quick publication and rapid publication journal. So explore this journal if your research area comes under this topics and title. And arts and humanity, if you belongs to particular different types of the field like art and humanities and management, information system and education, psychological, so these type of the category can publish your research paper in this particular quick publication journal. So you can see here what types of the topics and titles covered by this journal, like computer supported cooperative work, database management, linguistic, management science, mathematical modeling, operation management, cognitive science, psychological. So these type of the topics published by this journal. So you can say this journal related to the multidisciplinary journal. So explore this journal, and you can see also the all the types of the topics are given here, and this section related to the published article in this journal. And if you want to know about the publication like recent article and most cited articles and most downloaded article, and if you want to download free of cost any research journal, you can use this particular tab, open access article. So here you will get the freely available research paper and article that have been already published with this journal. Now this journal related to the whether is Scopus category or SCI category. So just click on the abstract and indexing, so you will get the all the detailed information. Like, so you can see here this journal related to the SCI category and many more indexing. So explore this journal, and if you want to submit your research paper, use this tab. And if you want to know about the journal fees, so use this tab. Here you will get the two types of the category. First one is the gold open access categories, means you have to pay the charges for publication of article. Otherwise you have to choose green open access category, need to pay any type of money. So explore this section very carefully. And guide for author, here you will get all the guidelines to prepare your manuscript. Next category of the journal, the Asian Journal of Shipping and Logistics, and side scores 2.8, and impact factor and also the journal matrices you will get here, like in the left hand side panel, journal matrix, all the things are given here. And acceptance rate of this journal 15%, so the chances of a research paper is high. And you will get the first notification within 4 weeks, so near about within 1 month you will get the notification. After that 7 weeks are required to publish your research paper, so total time required 11 weeks, so near about within 3 months your research paper will get published. And this journal related to especially business and management and operation research, like this type of the topics covered by this journal. So for the topics you can see, and you can explore this section very carefully. Here you will get all the types of the topics and title that you can publish your research paper in this particular topics and title. Now focus on the abstract and indexing. So here you will get the information about the Scopus category or whether the journal related to the SCI category. So you can see here the journal related to the Scopus category and ESCI category, SCI index category, and Doge publication. So explore this journal. Next category of the journal of manufacturing process. So this journal published by the Elsevier journal, and the acceptance rate of this journal 23%, and within 7 weeks you will get the notification about your research paper acceptance or rejection or minor changes. And after that 3 weeks are required to publish your research paper. So total time required for this journal 10 weeks, so near about 2.5 months required to publish your research paper from submission to publication. So really very quick publication journal. And what types of the topics covered by the journal? So if you are a researcher in the field of management, industrial manufacturing, like this type of the topic covered by the journal. So for the topics and title, you can see here and you can explore this section very carefully. Here you will get all the topics and titles. So you can see here following areas. So like this, all the areas are covered here and displayed here. So explore this section very carefully. If your subject area and research area comes under this category, then you have to submit your research paper for this quick publication journal. So whether this journal related to the abstract and indexing like Scopus category or SCI category, so click on this particular tab. So here you will get all the information related to the whether the journal related to Scopus and SCI category and many more indexing. Next category of the journal is Science Direct or like Elsevier categories. Journal title is Information Fusion. So this is also the very good open access category journal and impact factor 13.669 and site score 21, really very good impact factor and site score, and the acceptance rate of this journal 15%, and you will get the notification within 8 weeks and 4 weeks are required to publish your research paper. So total time required for this journal 12 weeks. So within 3 months के अंदर आपका रिसर्च पेपर इस क्वालिटी इंडेक्स जर्नल में पब्लिश हो जाएगा. And what types of the topics and titles covered by the journal? So if you are a researcher in the field of hardware and software categories and information system signal processing, like this type of the category published by this journal. So explore this journal in detail. So if you want to know about the journal in detail, so just click on view aim and scope. So here you will get all the information related to this particular journal. So you can see here aim and scope, all the type of the topics covered by the journal, all the things are given here. So like data, image, feature, decision, multi-level fusion, all the things are given here. Distributed wireless sensor network. So this is journal seems to interdisciplinary category journal. So many researchers can publish their research paper in this particular quick publication journal. So grab this golden opportunity if your research area comes under this particular aim and scope and title. And guide for authors, so you can see here right hand side guide for authors. So here you will get all the detailed information how we will prepare our research paper and manuscript and research article. So follow this guideline and you have to submit your research paper for the publication. Next category of the journal of solid state chemistry. So this journal related to the especially category of the science category, chemistry category journal. So if you're a researcher in this type of the field, so you can submit your research paper in this quick publication journal. So what types of the topics and title covered by the journal? Here you can see bonding in solids, crystal chemistry, crystal growth mechanism, like this type of the topics published by this journal. The acceptance rate of this journal 28% and 3 within 3 weeks के अंदर आपको इसका notification मिल जाएगा, and after that 2 weeks are required to publish your research paper. So total time required in this journal 5 weeks. So near about within 1 month your research paper will get published. So really rapid publication journal. So explore this journal if your research area comes under this topics and title. Now abstract indexing, whether this journal related to Scopus category or SCI category. So just click on this particular tab. So here you will get the all the information, like this journal related to the SCI category, you can see here, and Web of Science category. So really very good opportunity to publish your research paper. Now next category of the journal name is Advances in Nano Research. So this journal is specifically related to the nano research. If your research area comes under this topics and title, then explore the journal, because the journal published bi-monthly. So within 2 months your research paper will get published. So within 2 months के अंदर आपका research paper publish हो जाएगा. So if we will talk about indexing, so you can see here this journal related to the SCI index category and impact factor is 4.58. So really very good opportunity to publish your research paper. So now we can check also here all the information are given here. So aim and scope, what types of the topics, and submit guide for author. So just click on guide to for author. Here you will get the all the information. So here all the things are available. Even you can see this mail ID is also given. So if you are having any type of query, then you have to put a query through this mail. So definitely you will get a mail towards your query. And most important thing about this journal, there is no publication charges for this journal except for open access. अगर आप open access category choose नहीं करते हैं, then there is no need to publish pay any kind of money to publish your research paper. So explore this section very carefully. Here you will get all the information. Now next thing, aim and scope, what types of the topics and title covered by the journal. So this section will provide all the information related to the topics, title, aim and scope. So you can see here this journal related to the particular different types of the topics like nano system, nano material, simulation, nano X, nano physics, nano chemistry, like this type of the topic published by this journal, and free of cost. There is no money required to pay for the publication. So explore this journal. Now we can check also the authenticity of this journal. So just click on the home. So here you will get the ISSN number of these journals. So just copy here, copy it and open the SGR. So I have already copy and paste. So just click on this particular thing. So here you will get the all the detailed information about this journal in the Semogo journal rank. So this is how you can check about the journal authenticity. So you can see here each and everything. So this journal published from the South Korea, and journal ranking and H index of this journal is 10. And what types of the topic you can see: biochemistry, genetics, molecular biology, chemical engineering, catalyst, this is fluid flow, transfer process engineering, electrical, electronics engineering, mechanical engineering, material science, ceramics and composite. So if your research area comes into this particular topics and title, then you can publish your research paper and article in this quick publication journal and free of cost journal. So all the things are given here. So read out it carefully. So all the things are given here. So if we want to know about the more detail about this journal, what about the quarter? So since 2018 it was in quartile 4, but right now since 2009 you can see quartile 2, quartile 1. So really very great opportunity to publish in this quality index journal. So these are the discipline: atomic and molecular physics, optics, biotechnology, catalysis. So these type of the topics. So if you are a researcher in these particular areas, then you can submit your research paper in this quick publication journal. So friends, thank you for watching this video. If you are new in this channel, subscribe this channel so you will have the notification and upcoming most important video. If you like this channel is useful towards your research, subscribe this channel and also like the video and help your friends by sharing this channel and this video.